Hi friends, I am Binoy. Today I came up with my third recommendation. Let us review my past two recommendations. Firstly, I recommended all of you to buy Frontier Springs in the range between 260 to 270 rupees. And the share was skyrocketed to 310 rupees and have settled down at 280 rupees on Friday. Those persons who buy the shares at my recommended price can sell the shares and wait for a correction and re-enter in the shares on every tip and can accumulate the shares. Because I strongly believe that there is a correction in the market. Correction is inevitable in this scenario. In the case of second company, I recommended is alu fluoride, and the same strategy can be adopted in this company too. Today I am going to recommend my third company, and that company is from banking space. The name of the company is Federal Bank. Federal Bank is a Kerala based bank and it is reliable to the people of Kerala. 2 days before they came with the numbers. It was extraordinary. Their net income was 400 crores now and their deposit was increased by 21%. 2 years before they entered into gold loan space, and in this quarter there shows 36% increase in gold loan. It's very encouraging. And most important and it's very interesting to note that the NPA of the bank comes down by 1.25%, which is very important while valuing a banking share. We have to look the NPA. So what is NPA? The definition of NPA is non-performing asset. So let's just check what is NPA. If a giving loan is asset of bank and it's liability for the borrowers because they have to pay back the loans at stipulated period. So actually giving loan is an asset for the bank, but if a person don't repay the loan at correct intervals, it became a NPA. So if a borrower can't able to pay the last 3 months loan, that is interest plus the basic value, that loan became an NPA. So the NPA is again divided into 3 categories. One is substandard asset, and one is doubtful asset, and one is loss asset. So what is substandard asset? If a person who takes loan can't able to repay the loan within 3 months, that loan is became substandard loan. Again, the same person can't able to repay loan within 1 year, that is became a doubtful loan. Because the repayment capacity of the borrower is doubtful for the banks. Actually, the bank must give loan against the collateral securities. But most of the banks are not doing well. Because of political pressure, they are giving loan to so many persons without looking the intrinsic value of the collateral securities. That's the main problem facing with the bank. So NPA is a very important part while valuing a bank. So this bank shows decrease in the NPA. They can able to bring down the NPA. That's a very good sign for this industry. Then the share price of the company is closed on 52 rupees on Friday. Its year time high is 75 rupees, 75 to 80 rupees. And I think this share will again go to that levels or even more. I expect this shares to reach 90 rupees within a period of 6 months. And I am again saying that please don't buy the shares now. Just study about these 3 shares, because there is a correction will come. In this period we can evaluate more about the shares, and when correction comes, person can enter into these 3 companies what I recommended. I had no personal interest in those shares I had recommended, and I request all of you to consult your own financial advisor before investing in these shares. I think all of you will benefit from my recommendation. If so, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.